Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to share powerful tourism marketing strategies that will help you take your travel business to the next level. In today's competitive tourism industry, it's more important than ever to have a solid marketing plan in place. Whether you're running a hotel, a tour company, or any other type of travel business, these strategies will help you attract more customers, increase bookings, and grow your bottom line. We'll cover a wide range of marketing tactics, from social media and content marketing to email campaigns and influencer partnerships. We'll also provide real-world examples and tips for implementation, so you can start seeing results right away. So, if you're ready to take your tourism business to new heights, be sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable tips and strategies to grow your business. Let's get started. 1. Get to know your clients. First, you need to figure out who your best customers are. You need to know who they are and what makes them want to book, as well as how they like to book. During this brainstorming process, you should ask yourself things like, what makes them, your ideal customer, want to travel? Where do they find out about where they're going? How do they like to make plans? What makes them mad about researching and booking? From your answers to those questions, you can make at least 3 customer profiles. You can then use the profiles to build your brand, website, and marketing plan. Keep in mind what makes your business stand out and what pushes you. You'll need to say that in an interesting way if you want to get to know your customers better. 2. Make sure your website works well. Your website is the center of all the marketing you do on the internet. Because of this, you should make changes to it often to improve the user experience and increase the number of people who buy from you. Your site needs to be optimized if it doesn't work well on mobile, is too busy, too slow, or just too old. Maybe you already do all of those things and your site looks good and works well. But is it set up to get hits and sales? In that case, it might be a good idea to bring in an expert who knows the business to help you make the right optimizations. 3. Concentrate on mobile. Think with Google says that 48% of US smartphone users are comfortable doing all of their study, planning, and booking for a trip on their phones. Things are the same in Europe. 45% of travelers in the UK and 44% of travelers in France are happy planning and booking their whole trip on their phones. What can we learn from this? That using a phone should be just as good as using a computer, if not better. On the mobile version of your website, users should be able to do the same things as they can on the PC version. In the same Think with Google study, 33% of mobile users have a bad opinion of a company if their mobile experience is slow. This shows how important the mobile experience is. This tells us a lot. 4. Be social. Social media is one of the best ways for the tourism business to market itself. That's if you choose the right platform, where your customers are, and make a plan for each platform. Facebook. Facebook may be the best social media site for tour and exercise companies to get people to visit their website. It's a busy social network, but you can find your people if you use ads and specific targeting. Here is a thorough explanation of how to rock it on Facebook. Instagram. 1 billion people use Instagram every month. That's a lot of people who could see your business. Also, Instagram is a completely visual tool, which makes it the ideal way to promote a place. In 2018, Instagram made IGTV so that mobile devices could show vertical, long-form videos. Since its start, the platform has grown a lot. This is because marketers and brands are relying more and more on mobile video content to increase engagement metrics and conversion rates. 5. Live video marketing. Right now, video marketing is king, especially for brands in the travel industry. People who want to travel often look for videos of places they want to visit. The trouble is that they don't want only videos that have already been made. More and more people are watching movies that are being streamed live. Research shows that 82% of people would rather watch live videos than read social media posts. By making live videos, you can save money on video production costs and show that your brand is real. Let's look at Hotel del Coronado in San Diego, which does live video streaming well. They have a live beach cam that works all the time to show people what fun they are missing out on at the beach. They just put up a camera and started a live stream. 6. Get those emails out. Your email list is the only marketing asset you own, and it's also the most important. It works better than other marketing methods, such as social media and search. So, if you don't already have a working email list, you should start making one. You should have a sign-up form on your website if you want to invite people to join your online group. From there, you can get back in touch with them and turn them into customers who pay you. Here's what tour and exercise providers need to know about email marketing. 7. Let people book online. Thai market research says that the online travel booking market was worth $765 billion in 2017, and that is projected to be worth $1,955 billion by 2026. Also, more than 57% of all travel bookings for hotels, tours and activities, flights, and other things are made online. Travelers can find a lot of information and tools online to help them study, compare deals, and choose the best ones for them. If you want them to book your travel deal, you have to meet them where they are. They book travel deals online, so your website needs to make it easy for them to book online. For online bookings to start coming in, you'll need to add a booking system to your website. Try Regiondo. It's the most popular booking system in Europe, and it can help you make more money and automate your everyday booking chores. Book a demo, and one of our experts will show you how the app works and answer any questions you have. 8. Use reviews to your advantage. Review sites like Yelp, TripAdvisor, and Google Local are great for making a name and image for yourself online. Think about getting on one or two well-known ones. Make sure to reply to all reviews, whether they're good or bad, to show that you're paying attention and hearing all of the feedback. Reviews give people more faith in your brand and goods, and user-generated content in general can help your website rank higher and get more people to buy from it. 9. Blog consistently. You should talk to your customers. They want you to know things and have ideas, which is what a blog is for. Blogs are a good way to share stories, unique information about a place, travel tips, etc. It's also a good way to hook your audience and show that you know a lot about the subject. If you don't have a blog yet, make one and post to it on a regular basis. 10. Do SEO right. SEO is more important than ever for tour and exercise providers. Google is where most travelers start when they want to go somewhere. Tourists use search engines to find information about places to visit, places to stay, ways to get there, things to do and trips, etc. If your products aren't on the first page of search results, a possible customer won't know you exist. People joke that the second page of Google search results is the best place to hide dead bodies because no one ever goes there. So it's important to be at the top of the search results for your business and products. But there is a lot of competition. Many popular trip keywords are hard to rank on the first page of search engine results for, but the work is worth it because ranking high in Google search results for a specific keyword is better than having an ad on Facebook or a commercial on TV. People don't buy things on Facebook because they don't use it to do so, but when they look for certain goods and services on Google, they usually want to buy them. So, if they look for tours and activities in a place you are in, they are very likely to book with you if you are in the top results. With our free SEO Grader tool, you can see how well your SEO is doing and how well you rank for certain terms. 11. Set up your Google My Business listing or improve it. When you talk about SEO, Google My Business is a good place to start, especially for local SEO. Google My Business, GMB, is a free tool that lets you control how your business shows up on Google Search and Google Maps. If you don't know what it is, you can learn more about it here. It lets you add your business's name, contact information, address, hours, photos, and other things. You can also keep an eye on customer reviews and react to them. You can also see where and how people are looking for you. And when people look for tours and activities near them, they are generally ready to book the tour on the same day. So it's important to make a GMB ad and make sure it's as good as it can be. 12. Pay attention to experience. As was already said, we live in an experience economy, which means that interactive marketing is the norm. Experiential marketing is a type of advertising that lets customers feel your brand instead of just advertising your tours and products to a large number of people. It's also called engagement marketing, and it lets people connect directly with brands. Brands use real branded materials to show customers what they have to offer and what they're all about on a more personal level. You got it. Experiential marketing was started by millennials, and at this rate, it's only going to get bigger. And experiential marketing doesn't just work well with youth, it also works well with older customers. Let's look at what good experience marketing looks like. Check out Wisconsin. Travel Wisconsin ran a campaign to help people who might visit the state picture themselves doing different things there. They'd put local events, like tubing, on a funhouse mirror and put it in places where people would be waiting, like bus stops. As you can see, experience marketing is not the same as other types of marketing. Instead of using standard marketing methods like print ads or commercials to spread your message, which most people don't want to see or hear, you let people have fun with your brand. What do you know? People don't want to miss out on those kinds of things. In conclusion, implementing these tourism marketing strategies can make a big difference in the success of your travel business. By creating a strong online presence, targeting the right audience, and providing valuable content and experiences, you can attract more customers and increase your bookings. Remember, the tourism industry is highly competitive, but with the right marketing plan in place, you can stand out from the crowd and achieve your business goals. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content.